Welcome to Hospitality Property School. You are listening to Hospitality Property School with your host, Jerry McPherson. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson, and today I'm going to look at why your business might be failing and what you need to do. Are you stuck? Is your competition beating you out? Are you having trouble with your employees? Is your marketing not working the way it should? Do you lack the funds for renovations or even for property upkeep? You're probably like most people thinking that if you had the right breaks, more customers, better weather, you'd be making tons of money. Right? Wrong. 99% of your business success has nothing to do with the externals. It has to do with internals, meaning you. Your business is stuck, plateaued, or broke because of you. Yes, your business is a direct reflection of you and the way you think. Are all successful hospitality property owners or managers using exactly the same marketing tactics, employee training, and business software or design strategy? No. Some do research and know their target market. Others are outdoing their competition, and still others are doing things that are completely different. Everyone's using different strategies to build their business. Don't you think it would be smarter to look at what each of these successful entrepreneurs do have in common? One thing I know for a fact they have in common, their brains are wired for success. They think differently than all those who fail at business. They see the possibilities when others see a problem. They see a lesson when others see failures. And they think, why not, when others say, why bother? Makes sense, right? This is so important because I don't remember seeing in any class in a school or college or university how to rewire your brain for success or how to control your thoughts. Do you? Chances are, if you're just working in a job, you don't need to. But being an entrepreneur is a different story. If you're going to make it at entrepreneurship, you need to be the best and most powerful version of you. It's hard, it's competitive, and nothing is guaranteed in entrepreneurship. One thing I can guarantee is without you mastering your brain and your mindset, you're not going to be as successful as you could be. In the next few podcasts or posts, I'm going to spotlight on the way you think, the way you look at problems, and tips you can use to help you refocus. These podcasts or posts will not only pertain to the hospitality property industry, but can be taken and used in all aspects of your life. In the next couple of weeks, I'll be looking at how you can endure when things get hard, ways to remove negativity from your life, habits of successful people, and tips to improve your mindset and become a positive thinker. The next series of podcasts or posts are very important to those of you who wish to develop techniques to work through difficult situations while strengthening your positive attitude. To learn how successful people deal with negativity and endure when things get hard, and how to become a positive thinker. To make sure you don't miss any of these podcasts or posts, sign up at KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com. If you have any stories about why your business might be failing and what you need to do, and would like to share or have any questions or feedback, leave them in the comment section of the show notes at KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/KHDC087. Well, that is it for today's session of Hospitality Property School. We do appreciate comments, so reach out to us on Facebook at facebook.com/KeystoneHDC, on Twitter at twitter.com/KeystoneHDC, or by email at info@KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com. As always, let's work together to put more heads in your beds. Until next time, Have a fun day. This session of Hospitality Property School has come to a close. Be sure to subscribe so as not to miss any hospitality property tactics and strategies that will help you find the success you have always dreamed of. And don't forget to rate and review so we can continue to bring you the best content possible. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.